Hey, it's Design Guy here. Ready to make your own countdown timer in Canva? I'll show you how step by step. Click the Create button to begin. Next, choose Presentation from the menu. Once you've selected Presentation, click on it to open the editor. Now, you have the option to pick a template or customize your background. If you want a countdown timer, look for timer backgrounds or templates in the library, then select your preferred countdown option to add it to your presentation. Select the first page of the bingo template. Next, add a timer to this page. This will help track time during your bingo game and keep everyone on schedule as they play. On the left side of your screen, click the Apps tab to open the app directory. In the search bar, type AI Countdown and press Enter. Find AI Countdown in the results. Then click on it to select the app and continue with the installation or integration process. You can also use the other option. To try this, select Countdown Clock Timer. This feature allows you to add a countdown timer to your presentation or project. Click the Open button to access your file. Wait for it to load before proceeding to the next step. Select Upcoming Event as the option. This allows you to set a custom date for your event, ensuring the schedule accurately reflects when it will take place. Make sure to confirm your selection before proceeding. The system will automatically detect and display the most recent upcoming event on your calendar, ensuring you always see the latest scheduled event without needing to search or update anything manually. Type the event name, for example, Easter Sunday event. Next, click the Generate Page button. The software will automatically create a full event page for you, complete with recommended images you can use to make your event promotion visually appealing and professional in just moments. Select Page Only to generate content using this option. This action will require one free credit from your account. To proceed, click the button and confirm your choice. Let's use this feature once to see the result. The timer is now visible on your screen. You can see the countdown displayed in the center. To start the timer, click the play button. The timer will begin counting down from the set time. If you need to pause the timer at any point, click the pause button. To reset the timer back to its original value, click the reset button. Set the timer by checking the countdown here. For example, if there's a Sunday event coming up, you'll see the time remaining displayed in days, hours, minutes, and seconds, in this case, 332 days, 16 hours, 9 minutes, and 15 seconds. This lets you track exactly how much time you have before the event starts. Once you've confirmed the timer is set correctly, you can proceed to share or download the timer. Simply click the share button to send the timer to someone else, or click download to save a copy for your own use or future reference. Click the print button to open the print dialog. In the destination field, select Save as PDF from the drop-down menu. Then click Save. That's it, your timer has been added and saved as a PDF file. You just learned how to make a countdown timer in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative Canva tips.